And sine x, how do you do sine of x plus delta x? Well, compare minus sine of x. How do you find the hard way, once and for all way? You draw a little unit circle and mess with some angles, and you discover that the derivative of the sine is the cosine. That's if you've defined the sine as a ratio of sides in a right triangle. Of course, you could define it as an infinite series, and then you would be back to just using that. Okay, so calculus does exactly what we're doing here. Finds all derivatives by the chain rule applied to a few ones that it has worked out in detail. But tangent of x, we would use the quotient rule. Secant of x, we would use the quotient rule, 1 over cosine. And the products, we use the product rule. So really, calculus tends to seem fairly simple when you look back to see what actually you did. And then integration. What is integral calculus about? More or less guessing the answer, right? You have to integrate f of x dx, and so really what you have to do is sort of think, okay, what had this derivative? What function had that derivative? And mess around and get it. So that's really it's a freshman course, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So where am I? Backward, right. That's the thing.